Some isolated showers and storms still evident on Doppler radar, and this activity going to continue through midnight and very early into our Tuesday morning. Of the heaviest of the storms over toward Hillsdale, now making their way to Williams County. We'll touch on that in just a moment, but the brief isolated shower storm that has just come across the Toledo Metro gave a good drink of water toward Rossford, came right through South Toledo and grazed past downtown Toledo. Now this is extensive rainfall, at least for a few moments, from about Walbridge to Northwood through Oregon up to Harborview, and this continues to march to the east, not producing any severe weather, but a quick quarter of an inch of rain may be possible in these areas that do find themselves under one of these slower moving downpours. Heavier area of rain is off toward Hillsdale County, now just making its way into northern parts of Williams County, heads up toward Pioneer, Montpelier. Some rain is going to be headed your way within the next 20 to 30 minutes. It's part of an area of low pressure right across central Michigan that's going to drag east over toward the thumb of Michigan, sparking those showers and isolated storms as we go overnight tonight. They're going to be very hit or miss, and where we do get those rain showers, maybe up to around a quarter of an inch fairly quickly. It is very warm and humid, mid to upper 70s for the majority of the area, and we are right into the summer feel that is going to be downright sticky and humid, not only through the day Tuesday, but Tuesday night into Wednesday with that humidity that is going to be stifling much of the week. A very humid start to Wednesday morning, not much of a change from what we're feeling, and I expect the worst of the humidity may even strike on Thursday with some extreme dew points that climb into the 70s, making a very muggy feel. So highs close to 90 degrees by Wednesday and into Thursday. This is going to be some typical late July, early August weather. The heat and humidity may spark a few isolated storms Wednesday afternoon, but much of the day will be dry. Better chance is going to be Thursday, late Thursday into Friday for some storms that roll into the area under some of the heat and humidity. Now, the other side of it, the dry weather and the wildfires that continue across California. How about this? That Park wildfire, only 14% contained, now at the sixth largest wildfire in California's history. We will get some wildfire smoke from that on Wednesday. That is going to be streaking across the country, and I expect late Thursday into Wednesday, we may get some impacts from that wildfire smoke here locally, which could have some impacts to air quality and how our skies look through the day Wednesday. Now, much of Thursday, it is expected to be mainly dry after a morning isolated shower. Wednesday is going to be similar, upper 80s to near 90, and a chance we get an isolated storm or two Wednesday afternoon. Tonight, scattered storm is going to be fading away after midnight. Lows around 70, highs on Tuesday right around 87. And our 10-day forecast does have daily chances of storms through Thursday and Friday. Those will be our greater chance of storms this week, with highs into the weekend making their way back into the mid-80s into Saturday and Sunday.